Now, in order to open the SQL server or download in your local PC, you must look SQL Server Management Studio on Google. So it will lead to learn.microsoft tools and learn.SQL Server and the official website of Microsoft Ignite. From here, you can download SQL Server. I'm not going to download over here. You can click on this link. It will download the setup file and you can have the downloads SSMM. Also, you can free download SQL Server Management Studio, the latest version. While you are watching this video, might have the different version like 18.12.2 or 18.12.3 and so on, or might be 18.3.1. So here we are going to download and just follow the instructions and it will be downloaded on your local PC. Now I'm going to search in my, first you have to download the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio on your local PC. Then you must have this symbol and click on this symbol. It will take time, few seconds, and the pop-up window will be shown on the screen like Microsoft SQL Server and connect to server. You are supposed to connect to server to your server name and server type. If you are in case you are using different statement and different areas, then you will have to provide the server name, like you are using Power BI, Tableau, or any other Microsoft Azure or any other cloud database, then you must provide the server name over there. As of now, I am using the local server, so I will be accessing my local PC name. From there, you can see new query on the top of on the menu button area. So here you can use cut and also, but I'm clicking on this new query button, which is going to create the cutting value. Okay. So first and foremost, you are supposed to create table. So for that, what you will do, I'll write create table, and table name. Let's say laptop. I'm creating laptop table, and let's say laptop table is my table name. All right. Then give the round bracket and just hit enter. And like first, you are supposed to write ID space. What is the data type of your first variable? That is integer. Then I'm going to use model underscore ID. What is the model ID? That I'm creating of var character. So var character is the kind of variable character where you can increase or decrease your data set, type of data set. Then I'm going to use ratings, which is of float. It would be decimal. Then again, I'm using price, FLOAT. I'm using price over there, that is in the integer. And finally, I'm using active underscore on website, whether it is active underscore website or not. I'm using integer again. All right. So now you can execute this. You can see commands completed successfully. No error is there. Now, as of now, I have not insert any values in my table, right? So for that, I'll write new query or can erase the existing one, because my table, once my table has been created, I don't need this query. But as of now, I'm creating new table, new query. In this new query, I'm going to write insert query. I want to insert new value in my query and writing insert into laptop underscore table. What is the table? What is the table name of my recently created table? Is name is laptop underscore table. Hence I'll have to provide the same name. So laptop name, and then hit enter, round bracket, and then write the same name of your variable names. So instead of writing the names again and again, I can copy, C, paste it here, and remove all these data type, because I have already given the data type there while creating my table. So I don't require as of now. I just need the names. Why? I'll describe just now. So you just inline in a single space, and once you have inserted in a single name, then you can write it, enter values. What are the values? Okay, now it's time to insert the values of respective ID. So you are given the ID as of integer, so you are going to give 1 over here. Then you are going to hit model ID. Then you can have model ID. So let's say it's a 2121. So it's in the, what's the model ID format? It's a var character. So you can give the character name also, like L21 and so on. Secondly, you are having rating. So what is the type of rating here? It is float. So you can give any rating, like 3.5 is the rating given by the user. So what is the price here? You can give 2539.5. It's in the float. You can give in the float value also. So rating is in float, vector is character, and price is integer. Okay, so I cannot give in the float, and I am removing this. So for this, I'm having 25,390 rupees. Then finally, active on website, it is integer. So I'll give again, let's say 5. So I'll give 0 for non-active and 1 for active on the integer. So okay, so it's giving, I cannot give, okay. I'll have to provide the codes for var character, because the integer, float are not requiring any codes, but in case of var character, you are supposed to put around the codes. Then hit enter. One row affected. Now suppose I'm copying this laptop table, and suppose I want to see how many elements are there in my table. So I'll write select star from table name, that is laptop table. I'll execute. You can see from the below side, I'm having one element, one row, that ID is 1, laptop is 1, laptop ID, model ID is L21, rating is 3.1, and price is 25,390, and as of now active on website is 0. It is false. I'll keep 1 in upcoming rows also. Thank you for this session.